Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. Tonight my dad and I are out here. We're burning some brush. When we cut down that biggest tree, we had lots of little limbs. We have cut up many of the larger logs to use for other things, but this is like all the stuff that we are not going to break down to use. So we are trying to get all of that burnt tonight. This is where Dad started the fire a few minutes ago. He burnt a cardboard box filled with leaves and debris. Anything that will start really easily tends to be a great option. Not only are cardboard boxes wonderful tinder, but it's also a great way to keep things like that out of landfills. Now we're on the other side. Dad had some leaves raked up from the other weekend. More of the leaves were down here. We started this a few minutes ago. He's just adding to it. Hopefully it will burn. We were afraid none of this would burn because we had some serious rain last week. We were afraid it might be a little too wet. But so far, so good. We're hoping this will build up and catch on the rest of it.
You see how I had the fire coming up straight up?
Yes.
I put that in just like that, so that, here, I'll do that right here. That way it'll go up. It's going to climb right up that branch.
Oh, cool. Okay, good. While Dad's over there working, I'm on the other side. I have my fire burning low. It was up high. I stirred it and it fell in. I'm hoping that it's not too wet. I'm hoping it'll catch this whole thing. Well, y'all, I've added some leaves and twigs. My side is just fiddle farting along. But look at Dad's side. What? Yeah, that man knows how to build a fire. Woohoo! Hopefully it'll come over to my side because it needs help. This is pitiful. There we go. Sizzle, baby. I just piled on some more up here. This is from an old oak tree we've been cleaning around, so there's lots of leaves and tiny twigs. Most of this is from that. So we've got Dad's side and we've got my side. I think his is doing a little better than mine. There he was, just putting on some more of that mess from that oak tree. I don't know, maybe they'll meet in the middle. I sure hope so. Burning up bright as day. I love a good fire. Now Dad's just pulling stuff from the middle over to this little pile because it's doing great over here. He's taking stuff off the top and pulling it down. If we can't spread the fire, maybe we can bring what needs to be burnt to the fire. Well, y'all, this has been really fun. I have always loved fire. My side's picking back up. Dad's decided to stay out here for a little while and watch it. Make sure nothing spreads. The ground's pretty wet, so we think everything will be fine. But I'm going to go ahead and go in, get this video edited so you guys can see this in the morning. But it sure has been fun. I've always loved fire. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and sharing some time with me. I'll see you in the next video.